Today I am reviewing the Acer KB272 G0bi 27-inch IPS monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the basics. This monitor features a 27-inch widescreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, commonly known as Full HD. While it doesn't offer 1440p or 4K for the price and screen size, the Full HD resolution still looks clean, crisp, and more than sufficient for everyday tasks, watching videos, and most gaming needs. The 16:9 aspect ratio is perfect for both work and entertainment, offering a wide, cinematic experience without the need for ultra-wide dimensions. One of the standout features here is the IPS panel. IPS stands for in-plane switching, and what it gives you is vibrant color accuracy and consistent image quality across wide viewing angles, up to 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically. That means you won't see any color shifting or contrast loss if you're looking at the screen from the side, which is great for collaborative work or shared media viewing. Now, let's talk performance. The Acer KB272 supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz when connected via HDMI, which is a nice bump from the standard 60 or even 75 Hz found on most budget monitors. This higher refresh rate makes everything from casual gaming to web scrolling feel noticeably smoother. It's also paired with a 1 millisecond response time using Visual Response Boost, or VRB, which minimizes motion blur and ghosting during fast-paced action. While VRB does reduce brightness a bit when activated, the benefit in motion clarity is noticeable, especially in first-person shooters, racing games, or even fast-paced strategy titles. But that's not all. This monitor also comes with adaptive sync support, which is compatible with AMD FreeSync. What that means is that the monitor dynamically adjusts its refresh rate to match the frame rate output of your graphics card. The result? A tear-free, stutter-free experience in both gaming and video playback. This is particularly useful for users with mid-range gaming rigs who may not always hit ultra-high frame rates. Now, let's talk color. With 99% sRGB color saturation, this monitor punches above its weight class in terms of color reproduction. Whether you're editing photos, watching colorful content, or just want a more vivid and engaging visual experience, the Acer KB272 G0bi delivers accurate and lively visuals that you typically only expect in higher-end monitors. For comfort and usability, it also features a tiltable stand from -5 to +25 degrees, allowing you to adjust the screen to your preferred angle. And if you prefer a clean desk setup or multi-monitor configuration, the VESA mounting support, 100 by 100 millimeters, means you can easily mount it on a monitor arm or wall bracket. Connectivity-wise, it's simple but functional. You get one HDMI 1.4 port and one VGA port. And yes, Acer does include an HDMI cable in the box, so you're good to go right away. No display port here, but for most office setups and casual gaming rigs, HDMI 1.4 is more than enough to push Full HD at 120 Hz. This monitor also has a pixel pitch of 0.311 millimeters, which means the pixel density is decent for a 27-inch screen at 1080p. Text looks reasonably sharp, and you won't notice pixelation unless you're sitting extremely close. A few more highlights before we wrap up. The 250 nit brightness is suitable for indoor use, bright enough for well-lit rooms without being overbearing. And let's not forget about the energy efficiency. This monitor runs cool and consumes very little power, making it a practical choice for long hours of use whether you're working from home or gaming late into the night. In conclusion, the Acer KB272 G0bi 27-inch IPS monitor is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, good-looking display that handles work and gaming with ease. You're getting IPS color accuracy, FreeSync support, a 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond VRB response time, and modern connectivity, all wrapped in a sleek, minimalist design that fits any setup. If you're building a dual-purpose desk for productivity during the day and gaming at night, This monitor strikes a perfect balance between value and performance. It's not overkill, and that's exactly why it works so well for so many people.